today I have a new video for you guys, and it's a hairstyle for Elizabeth Cole, and it'll actually show out her royalness. So, and she has really long, curly, pretty hair, so let's get to the clip. What we needed is a spray bottle, wire wig airbrush. Of course, a doll that's like has royalness, like Elizabeth, or you can get any doll you want for this hairstyle. The first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to grab your misting bottle and gently cover her eyes and lightly mist. When you mist the hair, you can grab your wire wig brush and just gently brush it out. Okay, so now you're going to put your doll hair in a braid. If you don't know how to do a braid, I'm just going to zoom through this video, so please, sorry, but you're going to have to go look at another video. Now that we're done with the beautiful braid, you're going to get to the side that you're going to roll it up, and you're just going to tuck out and roll it. By the way, this hairstyle is called the flower bun. At least I call it the flower bun. And now what you're going to do is just wrap it around and either bobby pin it or do something so it can stay. So now you're going to come up with this cute flower bun. And I call it the flower bun because there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hair little balls, and so it's like petals to me. So yeah, like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and happy Halloween, guys!